Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix a stretch screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix a fetch screen or stretch screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In this you can see a display, just click on this. Here you can see scale and layout. You can see here scale, you can see 100% and 125. You can set as per your screen settings. After that, below you will find display resolution. These settings you can set as per your screen resolution. For that, after changing these settings, you can click on keep changes and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix stretch screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.